Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY, and today we are going to take care of a bird problem that decided to make a nest in one of my vents. So here is my solution and how to fix it, so stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so we have one of our bathroom vents and it's coming out the side of the house, and a bird is smart enough to get up underneath the flaps and they built a nest in there. Well, it did lay eggs and we had to wait for the babies to hatch and to fly away. Well, they're finally gone. So today we're going to seal that up because they're very, very noisy inside of our house. Inside the attic, all we're hearing is chirping. So I am going to show you how I am plugging up the hole and keeping birds from being able to get in there, but still allowing air to come back out of the vent. So here's up there, you see the vent, you can see the bird poop coming out of there. So you can see they've bent that vent just enough that they can get in and out, no problem. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up this extension ladder, and I am going to put some wire mesh up in there, and then see what nest is up there. I'll pull it out and then we'll put the wire mesh up in there and seal it off. Now you can see we've got a 24-foot extension ladder here, and I'm going to have some help here. I'm going to have somebody help hold the bottom of the ladder so that I can get up there safely and make sure that it doesn't move or wiggle around on me while I'm up there at the very top of the ladder working on that vent. So let me show you kind of the mesh stuff. Okay, so what I am actually using is this aluminum gutter screen, and it's fairly inexpensive. I think this was $6 for this entire roll, and it's designed to hold out leaf and stuff like that, leaves from your gutter. So anyway, what we can do is cut this. I got way too much, but it was the cheapest option I could find to give me this kind of a wire mesh. So then I actually already had some of these tin snips right here, and you can just cut that with the tin snips. But what I've done is I have just kind of pre-cut just, something like this, and I've got a couple sizes of them, so when I get up on the ladder I don't have to do a whole lot of manipulating. But the idea is I'm going to shove this in behind that vent, so when they try and get in through the vent, they'll meet this and they won't be able to get inside there, but that still allows for the airflow to come back out. So that's the plan. Now we're going to head up the ladder and see what we find. So you can see we're up here. It's kind of gnarly and gross, and you can see up in there there's not a lot going on inside there. Since it's so high up here, I'm just going to do it without the video because I'm a little bit nervous about doing it with the video. So I'll put the video camera away and then I'll show you how I did it after. Okay, so I got her all in there, and all I did was just kind of push that up and in. So I don't know if you can see, just the mesh is just kind of up and in there. And I'm just kind of bending it like that so the bird can't fit back in there, and I'll shut the vent like that, and so now the vent is back down and that wire mesh is behind it, and that's all I'm going to do. Now I can just kind of clean up all the bird crap with a hose, and then that'll be done. Okay, got it all hosed off and looking a lot better now, and so I don't think that bird's going to be able to get in there anymore. So it's all closed up, and from here you can't even see that there's any wire mesh behind it, so we are in good shape. So there you have it, super easy fix. If you did like this, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and if you know someone who has this problem, make sure you share this with somebody too. But we really appreciate it because it helps our channel out a lot. So thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.